Hey everyone, tired of dealing with confusing trades and outdated apps? Introducing TapSwap, the revolutionary solution for effortless trading. Discover all about its workings, outstanding features, and benefits. What exactly is TapSwap? It's a trading platform that puts you in control with lower fees and enhanced security. It's as simple as that. TapSwap is a mini app on Telegram that allows you to earn rewards by completing various tasks and activities. These in-game tokens will be traded for other digital assets. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners will navigate the platform with ease. But that's not all. Check out these remarkable features of this Telegram mini app that have captivated gamers everywhere. Number 1. Tap to Earn model. TapSwap introduces a tap-to-earn model, allowing users to earn rewards simply by engaging with the platform. Every tap boosts your coin balance, making the game simple and fun. The more you use it, the more you earn. Number 2. Daily bonuses. Its users will claim daily bonuses, encouraging regular use and maximizing earnings. These bonuses will be in the form of extra TapSwap coins or other rewards, and you will collect them by logging in daily and finishing specific tasks. It's a great way to keep your crypto portfolio growing. Number 3. Enhanced security. With TapSwap, your transactions are secure and tamper-proof thanks to blockchain technology. This provides peace of mind by stopping fraud and ensuring your trading experience is safe and secure. Number 4. Referral system. It offers a referral system where you can earn extra rewards for inviting friends. When your friends join and start using TapSwap, you will earn a percentage of their trading fees as a reward. Each new player boosts your coin balance and helps you level up faster, making the game even more competitive. Let's talk about how TapSwap works. It's effortless. First, you'll need a digital wallet that works with it. Many options are available, so pick one that works for you. Once you have your wallet, connect it to TapSwap. Moreover, this will let you start trading on the platform. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade and how much. It will find the best match for your trade. Check the details and confirm the transaction. And that's it! You have finished your trade on TapSwap. So, why should you consider using TapSwap? With nearly 20 million daily users, its vast popularity comes from several factors that appeal directly to those interested in cryptocurrency. Number 1. Easy access. It is dedicated to providing an easy and user-friendly platform for trading cryptocurrencies. With it, users will swiftly create a secure wallet, connect it to the platform, and promptly begin trading various cryptocurrencies. Number 2. Active community. The platform boasts a successful community where users actively share valuable tips, provide feedback, and support each other. This interactive community greatly enriches the overall user experience, making you feel like a part of something bigger. Number 3. Tap to Earn system. At TapSwap, users will take advantage of the innovative tap-to-earn system, which allows them to earn rewards by participating in various activities or providing liquidity. This system offers an excellent opportunity for users to enhance their cryptocurrency portfolio while actively engaging with the platform. Number 4. Mobile-friendly design. Its mobile-friendly design ensures that users will seamlessly trade and stay informed about the latest opportunities while on the go. This mobile accessibility enables users to stay connected to the cryptocurrency market regardless of their physical location. Amazing video! We hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you're always first to see our newest content. Stay tuned for more incredible content on the way. Happy trading, and we look forward to seeing you in the following video.